So we all know what is going on right now. Crypto, not great, hasn't been good since, quite frankly, the fourth quarter of 2021. Okay, so remember, we had the entire year of 22, inflation, Russia, Ukraine war, other macro factors that out there that impacted crypto, and then that rolled into 23. We've continued to have this lingering effect of inflation and all of the fallout from that, et cetera. So, with that said, kind of as a baseline discussion, here's the good news. That was the bad. Here's the good. Everybody in the proverbial room, from bears to bulls, all agree that crypto will go up as we roll into the Bitcoin halving event, which is slated for April, May, more likely in that May timeframe. And they're all pretty much readily agreeing that we could see Bitcoin go north of 100,000. Okay. And right now, Bitcoin is trading in around 25,000 and change. What does that have to do with Shiba Inu? It has to do with the fact that SHIB will go up with it. And I want to talk to you in the context of a price prediction to talk about what's going to happen in the remainder of September, rolling into October, November, but also looking downstream at when we could possibly achieve our all-time high and start to see SHIB really take off. So that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Okay. So in the context of that, you need to understand something. September, which is this chart here where my mouse is moving, has been historically the worst month on record out of the past 10 years for crypto in general. You can pause the video if you want to take a look. Here's your years on the left-hand side. Here's the month of September, and you can see the percentages are always down. Now, I want to shift and look at October. Okay. So October is 22. It was up 5.5. 21, it was up 39.9. Remember what I said in the very opening statement of this video? It was the fourth quarter of 2021 where that was our last good bull run, if you will. And it was up 39% in 21, up 20 in 2020, up 27, 10, so forth and so on. 2017 up 47%. And rolling into November, we did have some sell-off in November of 22, is down 16, down 7, et cetera. Okay, so my point to you is October and moving into November is when we can see this. And if you go back and look at the historical trend lines and all this kind of stuff, we've been in this bear run since 22 and 23. We're basically 2 years into this bear run, if you will, right? Okay, so that's all within the baseline of let's talk about what the good is coming. The good is October, November. That's the good when we will potentially, because of all the historical data going back years and years and years, we will see crypto turn back on. We will see Shiba Inu start to rise again. We will see this trend line right here. Let me move this real quickly. Let me move this for you. Move this like right here. We will see SHIB start to go, back up as we roll into October and November. Okay. The key is that it's a matter of when. And if you're trying to time kind of that bottom, trying to time maybe when you should be looking at buying, there's a momentum up indicator right there and a momentum down. Right now, per my software, X1 Algo, we're in a momentum down. So when is this momentum up button going to come into play? That's what my software can give you insight. So you can find the best time to buy at the lowest time. So that's where we're at right now. So if you're interested in that X1 Algo, the website, the link is down below. You can pick up a discount to basically take this to $37, which is over. Basically, it's about $1 a day, a little bit over that. And you have a 30-day money back guarantee. And by the way, you have a thank you page, which is all the tutorials you need to have everything up and running in less than 10 minutes. Okay. So everything here is for you so that you can know when the best time is to buy SHIB, all that kind of stuff. So that's the low. So that's what we're waiting on. And I expect to see the low sometime in late September, things like that. And then we start to bounce back up rolling into October. And again, wouldn't it be nice to have software like my indicator would say, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. So you can lock in those incremental profits along the way. Links in the description below, pick it up. And by the way, I'm thinking about taking the discount code away. So if you've been thinking about picking it up, I've been selling it now for about a month, and I'm thinking about getting rid of the discount code. So you'd be paying full price, $47 a month, if you do not want to take advantage of it yet. Okay. So let's now talk about a price prediction scenario of what I think we can see. Okay. So right now, SHIB is down 5.9% on the 7-day. It's trading at that 507 range. Okay. So here's what I think. Here's what I think from a price prediction standpoint, what we're looking at. I think first and foremost, by the time we roll into the Bitcoin halving event next year, and if we see Bitcoin go to 100,000 plus, I don't think it's going to be very, very hard for us to achieve our all-time high. Now, I want to set the stage for what is our all-time high. Our all-time high is 4088. Basically, now 11, basically now an 11x from where we're at. And I want to point out that at the market cap of where we're at right now, where SHIB is at a $4.2 billion market cap, at our all-time high, SHIB was at a $48 billion market cap. So I don't feel too far off in saying that if we see Bitcoin go to 100,000 plus, right? As far as its price, if we see Bitcoin go to 100,000 plus, that will raise the price of the overall market so high. Crypto itself will be, that's weird. Crypto itself will be up so dramatically. We'll see the entire crypto market move up that, yes, SHIB will move up and alongside of that. I'm talking about this number right here. So, you know, at 100,000 for Bitcoin, the market capitalization will be trillions north of where we're at right now. Okay. Food for thought, right? Okay. So that's a long-term price prediction. Short-term with SHIB associated with this kind of October, November, that's where it gets a little bit more fuzzy. Okay. Because it's a matter of timing of when will we see that price start to move up across the board? When will the bulls come back in? Will they be October, November? Will it push a little bit? But in the context of that, I think we will easily get to five, you know, basically we will move up and move up to 509 and or 401, where we start to, we will turn back over and take back some of that level ground that we've been at before. Again, remember, kind of going back to this chart, we will kind of continue to see it roll up. And right here is basically where my mouse, where this line ends, is a 401. So I think in October, November, we could start to see that. We could start to see it move up dramatically to that. If we do get that bull run coming in October, November, which historically the cards are looking right in that context. Okay. So there you go. All-time high as we roll into maybe May, June of next year, as it rolls along with Bitcoin rolling up to 100,000 plus. Short term, I think if we get the bulls to come back in late October, November, we could definitely move up to 509, 401, basically where you see this ending. If you want to pick up my software, X1 Algo, links in the description below. Please go pick it up. And if you want any help additionally, just trying to get insight into when to buy and sell any and all cryptos, by the way, it works with Bitcoin, Ethereum. It works anywhere in the world on any device. You can use it. Also works on, I don't know, stocks, Apple. This is it for Apple. Look at this right now, right here. It gave a momentum up, basically a buy alert there. It gave one to sell there. That was 27%. And that was basically March, April, May, June. That was 5 months, which is a great return, by the way, in the stock market. So if you want to use this to basically start trading stocks like Netflix, Apple, Amazon, you name it, it works for that as well. Links in the description below. Go get it. See you. 30-day refund policy. You got nothing to lose. Bye.